In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media content calendar in Trello 5 minutes. First, head to Trello and sign up or log in. Once you're in, create a new board. Give it a clear, recognizable name like Social Media Content Calendar so your team can find it quickly later. On this board, set up lists that mirror your workflow. A simple, effective sequence is ideas, to-do, drafting, scheduled, and done. These lists act like stages your content passes through from concept to publication. If you collaborate with others, invite them to the board so everyone can contribute and stay aligned. Assigning people to cards later helps clarify ownership and avoid duplicate work. Before adding content, take a moment to define your content strategy. Decide which platforms you'll post to, your posting frequency, your key themes, and any campaigns or dates that matter. This clarity will guide your ideas and help you prioritize. Now, start capturing and organizing content ideas. Brainstorm topics, seasonal moments, product highlights, or community spotlights. Turn each idea into a Trello card and place it in the ideas list. Keeping one idea per card makes it easier to move and track. Open each card and add a detailed description. Include the caption, the full text you plan to publish, not just a placeholder. Describe the visuals you'll use, whether that's a photo, a carousel, or a short video, and note any specs you need to remember. Add a hashtag approach that fits your niche and audience, mixing broad and specific tags. Finally, include a clear call to action, such as link in bio, save this post, or tag a friend, so every piece of content has a purpose. Set a due date on each card to anchor your schedule. Due dates help you plan backward from publishing time, and they make it obvious what's coming up next. If needed, add teammates and checklists for drafting, approvals, and final reviews. As work progresses, drag cards from ideas into to-do, then to drafting. When a post is fully prepped and officially scheduled in your publishing tool, move it to the scheduled list. After it goes live, drop it into done so you maintain a record of what shipped and when. Make it a habit to review your board regularly. Look at which posts performed best and note patterns that worked, topics, formats, or posting times. Use those insights to refine your strategy and keep your calendar focused on what actually delivers results. With this setup, you'll have a clear, repeatable system that turns ideas into consistent, on-brand social content.